This is Yahoo Mail, and the question is how to access the older version of it. So to access the older version of Yahoo Mail, you have to hold down the Control key on the keyboard, and you have to move the scroll wheel of your mouse up. It's a weird trick. So hold down the Control and slowly move the scroll wheel of the mouse up. It will zoom in the page, and once again, that's it. Try basic mail for up-close navigation. Switch to basic mail. Switch to basic mail, click on that. Now it's a more weird looking email. To zoom out, because we are zoomed in, you can use the Control key and the 0 on the keyboard. Let's see if that 0 works. So Control 0, yes, it worked, and it was resetted. And now it looks like this. And now if you open an email, only the content is shown. Back. Next email, only the content of that mail is shown. Back. Now here we have the Yahoo Mail button in the center. It does nothing. Here's a house icon. Click on that. And it goes back to the Yahoo page, yahoo.com. It's not Yahoo Mail. Back. Control and zoom in again using the mouse. 250%, 300, 400, 500, nothing. Control 0. Inbox. Okay, so to go back to the more recent version, from the address bar, mailyahoo.com, delete everything what is behind. So leave only mailyahoo.com and press enter. And now it's back to the newer version. Here are the emails, and the contents will be shown next to them. One email, second email, and so on. So by holding down the Control key and zooming in the page using the scroll wheel of the mouse, you can access the basic version of Yahoo Mail.